Welcome to the Gamma Brief. It is August 5th, 6:45 a.m. Eastern. If you're new here, the Gamma Brief is an experiment. The brief is built using a layered generative AI pipeline to capture market data, economic events, and structural mechanics. Then turn all of that to accurate, actionable briefings every morning. This brief is built on a single data set, the SPX 0 DTE options chain. All the gamma levels, dealer positioning data, put and call walls, and the GEX flip point are calculated from that chain only. A friendly reminder, Gamma Brief is market intelligence, not financial advice. If you find this brief helpful and want to see more content like it, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you'd like to see something new or have any feedback, leave a comment. Many of the recent features were suggestions provided by this audience. That out the way, let's get started. ES futures are trading at 7,789 against a cash close of 7,737. Yesterday's caution signal missed the mark as the 7,630 call wall was violently breached on macro flows. If the overnight gap holds, dealer resistance has already failed. If it fades, the expected move floor reprices lower. The standard regime is positive gamma, driven by positive $6.3 billion in net GEX, with VIX compressed at 16.35. Cumulative GEX stays positive across the entire observable chain, so there is no in-range flip. The regime read carries elevated uncertainty due to structural factors including the gap size and GEX magnitude, not because of missing scheduled events. Looking at the geometry, ES sits 224 above the 7,565 put wall and negative 40 from the 7,750 call wall. A gap fade reprices the floor to 172. The expected move band spans from 7,657 to 7,816. Critically, ES futures at 7,789 have already breached the 7,750 call wall and have already cleared both R1 at 7,729 and R2 at 7,722, which are now reclaimed levels below price. Overnight, reports of U.S. Iran-Oman talks regarding the Strait of Hormuz sparked a massive risk-on rotation. Cross-asset flows show ES up 0.31%, VIX down 0.91%, and the 10-year yield dropping 7 basis points. Sector breadth is rotational, with real estate leading at plus 2.1% and communication services adding 1.8%, while utilities lag down 1.9%. On the risk radar, the primary threat is ISM Services PMI at 10 a.m. Eastern. A beat validates the gap and forces structural strike migration higher, while a miss triggers mechanical mean reversion flows back into the range. The environment is consistent with patient-based fades of extreme moves. Income structures are preferred on rejection at the 7,750 primary plan trigger, targeting reversion toward 7,729, while defined risk directional setups become necessary if the breakout holds. A sustained hold above 7,750 invalidates the mean reversion thesis. Futures have broken the gamma ceiling ahead of the bell. ISM at 10 will determine if the breakout holds or if gravity takes over. Yesterday's read didn't hold. Respect the levels, not the narrative. Level set, buys defined. Good luck out there. Standard disclaimer remains. Gamma Brief and GEX log are market intelligence, not financial advice. Options are high risk, manage your size, and trade your own plan.